Okay, so unboxing tayo, no? Ito yung isa sa pinaka-exciting part sa mga musician, at hindi lamang mga musician actually, kahit sinong individual na bumibili online. So pinaka-exciting part is para sa akin, no, yung pag-unboxing. So tara. Yun. Ooh, IR box by Envave. Wow. Ito na guys, excited tayo. Yun, no. Tadang! Sabay-sabay nating silipin. Wow. Ooh. Yun. Ito na. Direct from the box. Tadang! Woo! Wow. May XLR out na, oh. EQ. This is probably one of the best cab simulator and IR loader in the market now. Kagandahan nito kasi may equalizer na din ito. Pwede natin i-trim yung high and low. So yun. Ayun babe, baka naman.